welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's topic, we are discussing about the scholarship, that is subject IT. Here, we'll try to understand the unit number 4, that is series. In these types of questions, some series are given in some patterns. The series may be in form of numbers, series may be in form of figures, may be in form of some alphabets, may be in form of some diagrams. We have to understand each and every series and we have to find out the right answer from the given 4 options. So here is practice set 4.1 where the series of numbers are given. You have to apply some basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiple, division, square root, cube root. Yes, like that operation you have to check within the given series and you have to find out the right answer from the given 4 options. So let's start with our first example. This is the first example of practice set 4.1. First question is given 0, 3, 7, 12 and the blank box is given. This series we have to understand what type of sequence is given. See here 0 to 3. How much is the gap here? Here is 3 is gap. 3 to 7 is gap of 4. 7 to 12 is gap of 5. So if you try to observe the pattern is what? Each and every gap is increasing by number 1. So after 12 what it will be? After 5 the gap will be of 6. So 12 plus 6 will be 18. So 18 will be our right answer. Next come to second question. In the series 10, 15, 20, again blank box and 30. Try to observe the series. What type of numbers you will follow here? 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Yes, what you observe here? Here difference of 5. Difference of 5. So next will be also difference of 5. It will be 25. Again will be difference of 5, 30. So each and every series has difference of number 5. Next question number 3. Here 2, then 7, then 17, then 32 and again blank box. Now here we have to check how much is 2 to 7, it is gap of 5. 7 to 17, it is gap of 10. 17 to 32, how much is the gap of 15? Means the sequence is increasing by number 5. 5, 10, 15 and next will be gap of 20. So 32 plus 20, it will be a 52 is the right option. Next come. See here 2, 6, 18, 54, 162. Try to find out which type of sequence is given. Here if you check it observely, how we can conclude 2 into 3, it will be 6. 6 into 3, it will be 18. 18 into 3, it will be 54. 54 into 3, it will be 162. So here is multiplication of number 3 series is given. So nextly 54 into 3 will be 162. So 162 into 3, it will be a 486 is the right options. In number 5, here now we will check 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and again next week. Here we will try to check out the gap between these numbers. How much is the gap? Here is gap of 2. But if you try to observe it carefully, 3 to 5 after, how this 8 has come? 5 plus 3. Addition of 5 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes, addition of 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Addition of 13 plus 8 is 21. Then next will be addition of 13 and 21. Addition of 13 plus 21 will be 34. The option will be second option. So these types of series are being followed here. We'll see next again 3, 7, 15, 31, 63 and again blank box. Try to check out how much is. Here you can check out gap of. Here we can check out gap of 8. Here we can check out gap of 60. Here we can check out gap of 32. So the numbers are being increasing in multiples of 4. 4, 8, 16, 32. After 32 it will be a 64. So 63 plus 64. If you count it, 63 plus 64. This 7 and 12. It will be option number 3, that is 127. Next 2, 10, 5, 25, 8, 40, blank box. Now here we have to check the series is that first number is correlated to third, second number is correlated to 25. Series is like this, like this. So here we'll check out 2 to 3 is gap of 5 to 8 is gap of 10 to 25 it is of 15. 15 to 40 it is of plus 15. Yes, 40. 40 to 55 again is gap of 15. Here plus 3 added. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. After 8 plus 3 will be 11. So C is our right answer. Next, last question. That is 4, 60, 52, 160 and again blank box. Here which type of, if you try to follow that 4 4 is 16, but 16 4 is not 52, so it is not like that. So we can have a multiplication series 4 like this, 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Next will be 16 into 3 plus 4, 48 plus 2, 52, like this. 52 into 3 plus 4, 52 3 is 156, 156 plus 4, 160, like this. Next 160 into 3 plus 4, 160 into 3 is 480, 480 plus 4 is 484. So 484 plus option number. So students, I hope you understand this practice set 4.1. In this way, you can have to follow certain basic concepts regarding the mathematical operations and you can solve this practice set. In next video, we'll discuss about the practice set 4.2. Hello students and welcome back again in unit number 4, that is series. Today's topic is practice set 4.2. In this type of questions, the series of figures are being given. Each and every figure is slightly different from each other. You will have to observe the figures very carefully and find out the missing figure. So let's start with our question here. So in the first question, try to observe the figure here. If you observe it, how in the figures these flowers are getting increased. First is 1, in second figure 2 flowers, in third figures there are 3 parts, fourth one is missing and in fifth there are 5 flowers. So what one is the missing? After 3 the fourth particles. So that will be option number 3. In second question, the figure of arrows, position of arrows is being given. How is the position of arrows are given? First was arrow was slightly towards the left side. Nextly, it has turned slightly. In third time, it again turned like this. In fourth part, it will turn slightly to the right side. Here again it has turned to slightly to the right. So in missing term it will be like this. So that is option number C. Third question. Here are pattern of circles are being given. How is the pattern of circle? In first one there is one dot, one line is given. In second circle, two dots and two lines are being given. In third circle, three dots and again three lines are given. In fourth circle, four dots and four lines are given. So next pattern if you follow, there will be a circle of 5 dots and 5 lines. So it will be option number D. In next question, a series of box and some circles are given here. Firstly, the circle here is blank, followed to the next circle is filled. Nextly, same box is here but circle has turned to right side. Again filled circle again has turned to right side. What will be the pattern followed? Nextly, this circle will go to here at downside. So in fifth part, this circle will go to downside, means here option number B. Like as in fifth question, here is the pattern of arrows and lines are being shown. Here arrows are given 2 arrows, 3 arrows, followed by 4 arrows. But see the position of the arrows. One arrow is going up, second is down. Here 3 arrows, up, down, again up. Next will come 4th arrows, but they will follow the pattern of up and down. So here all arrows are in upward position. In B part, one arrow is up, second one down. Again third arrow is up, fourth one down. So the right will be option number. So this way you can easily check out the missing figures and find out the right options as an answer. I hope you understand this video very well. Try to share the video to your friends also and tell them to subscribe and like the channel. If you like the video, you can also comment in below comment box. Thank you. In next part, we'll see practice set 4. In this 4.3, we will discuss about the certain types of symbols. Here are some symbols are arranged in certain fashion. We have to follow from right to left how the symbol is being changing gradually. We will have to check the pattern changing of symbols and we have to find out the right alternative from the given option. So let's start with our today's topics. In first figure, a type of figures have been shown. Let's try to check out their pattern. If you try to follow the pattern here is one kite, again rectangle, again kite, again rectangle. Then followed by kite and rectangle, kite and rectangle. Next will be kite will come. But how is the kite symbols are getting changed? See here, first line is to upside, circle is here. In third part, circle has gone to downside, line has gone to this left side. Next, fifth part, this circle will go to here, yes, and line will come to from followed the pattern by downside. So circle, the main option is, right option is option number 4. Next question. Here are some lines are getting followed by the symbol. First there was a single line. Then to that a small circle was added. Nextly 2 lines in between one circle. Nextly 2 lines and 2 circles. When next will come, a third line will get increased here, followed by these 2 circles. So here are 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3 lines and 2 circles. So the option number 4 is the right answer. In question number 3, there is again pattern is being followed. 2 figures are to same side, second one is different. See here, These two figures are to same side, middle one is different. These two figures are to same side, middle one is different. Here also these two are to the same side, middle one is different. So in first one, where the question mark is given, these two figures are to the upside, then whatever the middle number, it will different, so it will go to the downside, means option number A. Try to, in fourth question, circle and arrow upside. There is changing of arrows have been shown. See here, a circle followed by arrow upside. Again a circle upside, then but here a dot has been increased. In secondly, arrow has been changing its position, circle like this. Again in next part, arrow and dot will come. In next part, what will happen? This blank circle and arrow will go to downside. Blank circle and arrow will go to downside. So option number B. Let's move to our fifth questions. Here are a pattern of lines are being shown. If you try to observe the pattern, here is first line, second line, third line, and here are some fourth lines are being given. But if you try to observe the lines which are being given here, how the lines are given, see, here is first line, here is two lines, but after lines are getting increasing up to 3, but after 3 they are getting decreasing. So here 1, 2 and 3, line 3 up to line 3 is getting increasing, but after 4 it is getting decreasing. So after the fourth line here, the fifth line will come. So there will be option up to 3 get increased, after 3 get decreased. So 2 will get decreased. So not here are also 5, but after 3 they are getting decreasing. So the right option is option number 3. So this way we can sort out the practice set 4.3. I hope you understand this video. Try to share the video to your friends. So let them understand what type of questions are being given in the practice. In next topic, we'll try to check out about the practice set 4.4. Hello students and welcome back to the unit 4, that is series. Today's topic is practice set 4.4. In this topic, a series of numbers are being given. There may be certain type of pattern is get followed, but one of the number does not follow this pattern, and it is expected that it is a odd term. So from the given series, we have to find out that which number does not form the pattern. That we have to find out the odd term from the series, and that odd term is given from this alternatives. So let's start. So in the first question, a series is given, that is 0 to 3, 6, 9, 12, 16, 18, 5. Now if carefully if you observe what type of pattern is given here, numbers are being followed by the distance of 3. Each every number. 3, difference of 3. Here will be difference of 3. Here is difference of 3. Here again difference of 3. Here difference of 4. But here again difference of 3. So this is our expected wrong term. So the option number 3. In second question, now try to check out the number series. The numbers are given in multiples of or the table of 14. 14, 28, 42, 54, then 70 and 84. If you try to count out, 54 does not come into table of 14. So it is expected wrong term. Again we have option number 3. Nextly, here in third questions, if you try to check out, all these numbers are the square numbers. 9 is square number, 25 is square number, 36 is square number, 64 is square number, 49 is also square number. But 15 is not a square number, so it is an expected round term. So there is option number A is the right answer. Nextly, in question number 4, here the number series is been given. We have to see and check out the pattern. Pattern is that after every second number, it is the addition of 100 plus 1. See, 104 plus 100 is 204 plus 1. Here again, if you try to follow here, the pattern 300 plus 100, 407 plus 1, 407. Here 407 plus 100 plus 1, 508. 508 plus 100 plus 1, 609. But here after the second 206 does not follow that pattern. So it is expected wrong term. So that's why option number B. In question number 5, now if we count the checkout 4, 24, 34, 64, 105, 1. Now if you try to check out here in between two numbers, here is gap of 30, here is 64 to 104, here is gap of 40, here is gap of 50. So here will be, it will be a gap of 20, here it will be a gap of 10. So after 24 does not follow this pattern. So that's why 24 is expected wrong term. So that's why option number B. And nextly, in the last term, 3, 16, 4, 22, 5, 27, 6. Here alternately numbers are changing. 3, alternately 4, alternately 5, alternately 6. But here 16 alternately 22 is given. After 22, if you add plus 5, 27. After 27, if you add plus 5, 32. But 16 does not follow the pattern of 22, 27, 32. So 16 is our expected wrong term. So the correct option is option number D. So in this way, we can easily find out the wrong term or the wrong pattern from the given practice set 4.1. I hope you easily understand this practice set. In next part, we'll see the practice set 4.2. Today's topic is practice set 4.5. In this type of questions, a series of alphabets are given, and from the given alphabets, you will have to find out the missing term. Here are a series or the sequence of alphabets are being given. We will have to follow the pattern of these alphabets, and let's check out which alphabet is get missing. So let's start. Here in the first question, the series of alphabets are given. How is the series? A, C, E, G, and here is the missing term. To simplify this, we need to write down here the alphabet serially, and we have to give them as numbers. As we know that total there are 26 alphabets. So I have written all this A to Z and give them as numbers. Now see the pattern. First one is your A alphabet, followed by C, followed by E, followed by G. Then each alphabet is what? It is alternating x1, 1, 3, 5, 7. Again this we will left. Next alphabet will be I. So where is I? I is option number A. Very simple. Second question is Y, U, again missing term M and I. Let's again come to here. From Y, U is at a distance of 3. Yes. Next, from M, I is at a distance of K, L, K, J, and here it is at a distance of 3. So from U, then from U at a next number will be at a distance of S, T, S, R, and it will be 4, that is Q. So Q will be the missing term, option number 3. Third question, and M missing term HG, ED and BE. Now we'll check out NM. Next is missing term. After NM there is HG. Yes, after HG there is ED. After ED there is BE. Now see the pattern. After GH there is F vacant ED. After AD C vacant PA. So what will we do after MN? After MN, one vacant and will be a KJ. So KJ is our fourth option. In question number 5, Y, E, I, missing term and A. Where is our Y? Y. Y, it is up to on 25 numbers. P, 16. I, 9. A, 1. Yes. So if you try to check out, all these are the squares numbers. So square of 5, square of 4, square of 3. So here will be square of 2, that is of 4. Which is at fourth number here. At fourth number it is D. So option number 1. Very simple. Next followed. Next one, fifth number question. JAK, KBL, LCM, MDN and missing term. Now we'll check out. JK, in between that there is A. KL, in between that there is B. LM, in between that there is C. MN, in between that there is D. So N and O, in between that there will be E, next term. So NEO, NEO. So where is NEO? This. So this is our right answer. So in this way, you can easily find out the missing terms for the practice set 4.5, and it will be very easy for you to solve the questions. So I hope you liked these questions easily. Now in next video we'll try to understand about the unit number 5. So thank you and keep watching the videos.